Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be doing an Elsa makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from what I got from Bippity Boppity Boutique in Disney. I got this from Disneyland when I was getting my makeup done. And I'm going to be using this brush to do it, even though it's not a usual brush. Okay. She has pink eyeshadow. If it can't show up, make sure to put lots of it on. I'm pretty sure it's on. Yeah. It is on. And she has it all the way down to the side. To about right there. Okay. She also has purple eyeshadow. I'm going to need my mommy's help with it. Mommy, I need you to put on my glitter eyeshadow. Mommy, I need you to put on my purple glittery eyeshadow.
Do you need me?
Yeah, to put on
the eyeshadow?
Mm-hmm.
She wants me to put eyeshadow on her.
For talking to?
Is that recording?
It has to be like this, okay? So you have to go over the pink. Okay, open.
Mm-hmm.
You covered it all. You have to go like that. It's not covering all. Okay.
Okay.
So try it on this. That's much better. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing the lipstick. She has pretty dark lipstick. So I'm going to be using my Citrus palette. Now I'm going to do my purple. Now I'm going to do my pink. Very, very little blush that you can barely see. I think she has zero blush, but I know that she has blush. Now the first makeup tutorial I watched had a blush on her. So it's just very, very light and try to make it as light as I can. She has pink blush, but that's going to mix the colors. Put on my mascara. What else do you think I would need, Mommy? I got this on my nose.
Yeah, because you moved.
I was all ready.
But you said ready. I said, are you ready? You said ready. Okay, let's try this.
Yeah,
We'll get it off. We'll get it off. Let's just try. Okay, don't move. You look like you have a little mole. Back in the old days, that's what movie stars used to do. They used to put fake moles.
What was mascara?
No, I don't know what they used. Maybe eyeliner. Okay, ready? Don't move.
Now that I am done with that, you have to say goodbye. Now that I am done with the makeup tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below, subscribe, and bye.